Hello my beautiful glam queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed and YouTube, and you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Yes, right there. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Let's go Barbie! Woo!
Have fun, girls!
I should be wearing a Barbie shirt. I wore a Barbie shirt the other day and during the Barbie movie. I do have one more shirt to wear. I don't know if I showed it to you guys already. Let me go put it on. Okay. There we go. There it is. Oh, have I worn this one yet for you guys? I don't know. It's Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl. Yeah. Alright, here we go. We got Barbie week this week. Woo! Does this even say Barbie on here? Barbie! Yes, it does. Okay. Both products are from NYX Cosmetics, but we're going to talk about one of them right now. First product up, blush. Woo! This is from NYX Cosmetics. Greetings from Barbie Land. The mini cheek palette. The pods are... Let's see if I could get out. Now, you have to get your nail, because it's kind of hard. I put my nail in here, the plastic part. You see how I did that? You see how I do that? You see how I do that? Right there. And then I lift up. It's kind of hard, but there you go. 3 pods, all 3, 0.05 ounces. Yes, 0.05 ounces. So, close it back up. I went to Ulta Beauty, all sold out over there. They had a little Barbie display, completely gone. So sad. So the mall I went to has an Ulta and Target together inside the mall, and that means that the Target does not carry Ulta Beauty inside. It only has Target items. But if you're lucky and you have a Target by itself, one big huge Target, not inside a mall, if you're lucky, they'll have an Ulta Beauty inside there, and you might find this. Now, here's the other thing. NYXCosmetics.com also sells their Barbie items, but this is also sold out over there as well. Ooh. Oh. It's so small too. Anyways, now where did I find mine? Amazon. It is sold by Amazon, shipped by Amazon. Pretty good actually. So they still have it. I think it was like, it's around $12 on Amazon. I think I got it around $10 to $11. That's a pretty good deal. And lasts me around 18 months. Yeah. Of course, they say vegan, cruelty-free. On their website it says new, vegan. But it's limited edition. I wouldn't really say new. Limited edition. So once these are gone, they're gone. They'll probably use the colors for a different palette one day or in a different movie, but the Barbie symbol will be gone. This palette is a mini palette that has 2 blushes and a highlight. It is the size of a credit card and, of course, inspired by the Barbie movie. Woohoo! Come enjoy the world of Barbie Land. If only I could live there. It's a little bit too much pink, but we can make things work. I'll just color everything purple. That's fine. Or red. Or blue. This palette has vibrant shades like pink, peach, and this looks a little bit like it's definitely bronze, but it's like peach bronze, gold bronze mixed. Peach and gold mixed, I would say. It definitely looks like a hot pink more too. It does not have the name of the colors, by the way. It's just 1, 2, and 3. Shade 1, shade 2, shade 3. Too bad, so sad. Would have been nice if it had the colors. I like the stamps on it though. The stamps are pretty cool. It does have talc, mica, synthetic wax, and dimethicone. Let's try this baby out now. So, I accidentally stuck my nail right there. I don't know. I was doing something like this. Maybe I was reading the back. I'm not sure. But I stuck it right in there. So I'm going to use this side. And it does say to put the blush below the cheekbones. Well, not cheekbones, but stick the blush under the apples of the cheeks. So here's my apples. And blush wants to go there. It's a little, well, I would say always do contour, blush, and then highlight. So it's gotta be in the middle.
Middle of the highlight and the contour.
This is the peachy color. Very nice. Let's zoom this baby in. There it is. Just going to clean it up a little bit so I could pick up the other color. This one is pink. Like a very hot pink. This one is full 80s. I am using an eyeshadow brush right now at the moment because I am deciding whether I kind of want to keep this as a collector's item. So I'm just using a brush that goes around the stamp. I know. I don't know if I want to keep this as a... I'm not sure yet. But if I decide to use this completely, then I'll use a fuller, an actual blush brush. And just go right on it. Like, right now, though, we're thinking about it. We're thinking about it still. Okay. Or I could use this as eyeshadow. And just kind of go around the stamp. I don't know. I'll think about it. The stamp is cute. I'm doing it heavy down here and then I'm blending it up. So it kind of fades upwards. I don't know if you guys could see that. Oh, can you see it? Can you see it? I don't think you can see it too well on the camera. But I can definitely see it here in the mirror. Okay, that's the different colors. Pink, peach. Now we're going to go in with the highlight. I'm going to use my finger for that one. This one doesn't have a stamp. Ooh. Coming out nice and gold on me. Can you guys see it? I'll put it on my nose. You see it? Oh yeah. And then just a little bit here on this one. Not too much. Oh yeah. Oh maybe. Reflect. That's pretty good. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the next product. Next one up is NYX Cosmetics Barbie Jumbo Eye Pencil Kit. Woo! Comes with these two. This one's Barbie. And then this one is Ken. And it says, we're having the best day. It's the box right here. This one is Dying to Dance. Gotta see the movie to figure that one out. Barbie pink, of course. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's nice. And then the Ken's is called I Do Beach. Yep. That's exactly what it's called. I Do Beach. Also have to see the movie to figure that one out. There it is. The Ken. That's hilarious. I can't believe they called it that. By the way, I didn't even realize they had names until this very moment of filming. I thought it was just pink and blue. That's it. I didn't realize they had the names. It's written very small there. Right there. Anyways, this is the blue one. Wow. More of a sky blue. Size of them is 0.18 ounces. Can be purchased at NYX Cosmetics, Ulta/Target, and Amazon, of course. I did, of course, get these at Amazon, only because it would get here faster for the video than NYX Cosmetics. That would have taken a couple of days. Just came in fast. Price, $12. Once again, exactly the same as the blush, 12 and 12. Expiration date is 9 months. That's it, everybody. 9 months. So use these fast. Don't let them sit around.
I will probably be using mine, yes.
These I don't mind using up because it's definitely all about the packaging on the outside. I should try to use it like this and not ruin the letters. Hopefully it doesn't fade. It is a vegan formula and cruelty-free. An eye pencil kit made to feel like Barbie magic. It should have pro performance along with iconic color. It is apparently a new shade of pink and an electric blue. And yes, inspired by the movie, this duo has many uses and has a creamy touch to it. Has titanium dioxide, phenoxyethanol, and mica, and of course, carnauba wax. Now the 3 ways of using this is, of course, number 1, eyeliner. You can use as eyeliner or eyeshadow. That's number 2. And of course, this one's a strange one, but it can be used as primer as well. Eyeshadow primer. I do see a lot of people using colorful eyeshadow primers. It's pretty cool. Using different colors as eyeshadow primer changes the color of, I guess because they're using it as base, changes a little bit of the color of the top color you're using. So if you're using like maybe a white kind of translucent but white shimmer eyeshadow, maybe a little bit metallic, it'll show a little bit, like if I use pink, it'll show the pink underneath it. It's very interesting. Lipstick's perfect. Okay, we're going to put on this, the pink on this side. Ooh, that is pink. That's so funny. For some reason, in my head, the whole entire time I was thinking I was going to use pink on this side. And then I naturally just did it this way. We're going to make it a little bigger. Okay, there it is. The pink. Dun-dun-dun. Okay. Now we're going to try the blue. On the other side, it does have like a dewy kind of look to it. I don't know, I was hoping it'd be a little more matte, but I could just use translucent powder on top of that. Mattify it down a bit. Okay, and that's the blue. Wow. The blue. I'm going to go over pink one more time. Okay, there's pink. It is very creamy. Definitely you need eyeshadow primer under this because it's creamy. I don't know about using this as eyeshadow primer. It might be a little bit too creamy, but give it a try. That's what I do. There it is. That's the 2 colors, Barbie and Ken. Like that? Okay, now we're going to get into the results. Okay, we're going to go into TikTok for the results. We got TikTok and YouTube. I don't want to pound this too hard because I feel like the plates might pop out. Let's hope not. Okay, here we go. And the results for this one. TikTok, the winner is... Boom! Jumbo Eye Pencil Kit. Woohoo! 65%. Cheek palette only 35%. Wah wah. The winners. Congratulations. You are the winners on TikTok. Everybody voted for you. Everybody loves the cream. Yes. I'm getting it dirty already. Look at that. It's a little dirty in there already. Congratulations. You are the winners. Were these your favorite, guys? You gotta let me know. You gotta let me know in the comments below. But let's go to the YouTube results before we get into the comments. Yes. YouTube results. Here we go. Yes. That's cool. Okay. YouTube. And the winner is... Oh, wow. Cheek palette. Congratulations. Oh, holding it upside down. Cheek palette, congratulations. 100% you are the winners. 0% on these guys for YouTube. Nobody voted for them. So sorry. Cheek palette one. And yes, that is all. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below and I will feature you in next week's video. For me right now at the moment, which one do you think I would use the most? Probably the eye pencils. Easy. Yeah, fast and easy. I'm always like, if I'm on the go and I want quick makeup, eye pencils. I just quickly do my eyes, run out the door. Hopefully it doesn't spread. I do carry a little mini translucent powder so it doesn't spread, and I was putting that in my quick makeup routine. I was using it pretty well on most days, and then I got lazy about it and started just using the pencil. Then I went to the mall the other day and my eyeliner was all over the place. Yes, it was like, oh my gosh. So I was like, okay, I need to start using the translucent powder again. Make it stay. Oh my gosh, you should have seen me though. My niece was like, your makeup's gone. You might as well take it off. She's so funny. I was like, no, I can't. Let me just redo it. Oh man, it was terrible. For some reason, my eyes were just really watery that day. I don't know why. Maybe the sun. I don't know. But my eyes were watery and it was making my eyeliner run. It's terrible. Anyways, that's all. That's it. Woo! We Barbied it. Dance like a Barbie. Dance like a Barbie. They have hands like this, so they do that. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for coming to my video. Also, like, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for, let me know if you guys saw Barbie and Oppenheimer in the comments below. I saw both of them on one day. I did have my Barbie shirt and I was like, I'm here to see Oppenheimer. So funny. Anyways, I think I got to tell that to only one person that day. It was a new theater, so they had a couple of people in the front of the theater greeting people. Huge party. They had news people there with cameras. Hopefully I was not in the background of any of those videos. So yes, that's the first movie we saw, and then we saw Barbie. That's all from me. Thank you for joining me on this lovely video. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Yeah, bye.